Oh my god, I'm so excited for this haul. I haven't been to Primark in so long. It's about bloody time. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So, getting straight into it, I have been to Primark. I haven't been to Primark in what feels like months, which it has been, to be honest. I haven't done a Primark haul in so long. Lockdown has literally been killing me. I love doing Primark hauls. You love watching them too, like I do as well, so that's why I love filming them. By the way, I do have hair. It's just in the back here, just chilling in a bobble because I need to wash it. Anyway, also, if you want to see how I created this look, then a video will be up. I don't know if it'll be before or after this video, but I'll link it in the description box below and in the eye, wherever the eye is. So go check that out. It's like an autumnal sort of look. Love it. Anyway, I have got a big, literally big bag, and it feels like it's going to break. So I'm going to pop that back down. Oh my god. So excited. Right, it is now currently the 2nd of October and I went yesterday after work on the 1st, and they started to bring out all of their more autumnal stuff and just better things. I went in there a while ago, just after lockdown, and there was literally like nothing in there. I think it was a lot of like old stock, but now let me tell you, there is some good pieces, and let's just jump straight into it. So I also had a bargain, which is the first item, is a pair of shoes. Now I don't buy shoes very often, but these really caught my eye, and the colour of them I think is going to be the autumn colour. So it's these Mules. Now I always thought they were called loafers. Anyone else? But I have a black pair from, I want to say Pretty Little Thing, which have like a deep gold buckle by here. They are gorgeous. Love those. Wore them quite a few times. But I needed to get these because, oh my god, I love them. So these were £8 and I got them for £4. So definitely go into Primark if you love these now, because they're on sale, which is a bargain. I just think they look so expensive. To me, they look kind of like Zara, Topshop sort of vibes. They're really good quality as well. I really like random, but I like that the back of them are like squared off shape. Really nice. And I love the detailing on the actual shoe. So I'll show you up close. That's them up close. Gorgeous. So bargain for £4. Look at me just chilling, like it's cozy season. I'm in my cozy black jumper and I'm loving it. Okay, so the next piece is probably one of my favourites in the whole haul of what I've got. Now this is the softest material. I have to admit, Primark have been upping their prices, but then again they've been upping their quality. Like this looks like it's going to be itchy, but it's really not. It's so soft. I got it in a size small, which is a size 10 to 12, which I sized up in most things, to be honest, and I have put on a bit of weight over lockdown, not gonna shy about it. But this was £15. Now, quite pricey, but it is a dress, so it's a jumper dress, so it's quite long. Love the detailing on the front, love it. And yeah, just really, really nice. You'll see in the try on clip as well how nice these items look. I have tried everything on already, I just couldn't resist. Got home, literally threw everything on straight away, because I like to know if they fit or not when I'm doing hauls lately, so I just think that's a better idea than sitting here being like, oh, this is really nice, but then it doesn't fit, or it doesn't fit properly. Do you get what I mean? So love this. This is probably one of my favourite. Okay, so then next, I actually did buy this the first time I went into Primark, because I've been in there twice now. since lockdown, and I have taken the label off, but I know the price, I know the size, so I did size up 2 sizes in this, which I am so glad I did, because it's sort of like a cropped hoodie, and it's in this material where it's like super soft. It's got like drawstrings at the front, and it's obviously got your hood. I've been wearing this to work under my jacket, and it's so nice, like it's so comfy. It was £10, which I feel is a bargain. So yeah, the quality on this is stunning. I absolutely love it. It's so soft. It's the same obviously in the inside. Can't go wrong with a cozy hoodie and oversized. You'll see it in the try on clip that it's not like majorly oversized, but it's oversized. Sizes can be very weird in Primark. Okay, so then I got another jumper. This sort of colour, like an oatmeal sort of colour, is definitely going to be a vibe in this year's autumn fashion, I feel. This was £10. I got it in, I don't know why, but I got it in an extra small, which is a 6 to 8. But it doesn't look too bad actually. I wish I got it in a size up, but really like it. It's got lovely detail. Again, so soft. Can't go wrong. It's just a normal size jumper. Why didn't I get it oversized? Come on now, Liz. I haven't actually tried this one on actually. Don't know why. I love the knitted detail at the moment. I need to go through my wardrobe and see what I need to throw out and transition from summer to autumn / winter. Now these jumpers are so essential, I feel, in the transition to autumn, winter, because they're not thick, they're quite thin material. So these I got in a size small, and they were £6. I did get 2 shades. This is the, what colour is this? Ivory. So I thought this would look so cute with some like camel colour blacks, like a dark denim. Gorgeous. It's got kind of like a, it's not a high neck, but it's sort of a high neck. So love that. I did size up on those because I just want to be nice and cozy. Do you know what I mean? Then I've got the same thing, £6 in a small, but in the natural, apparently, in a natural colour. Again, high neck, really nice, really slouchy, long sleeved. Yeah, just a really nice staple piece that I need, like basics in this, like this time of year. So that's those. Now you can't go to Primark and not buy a pair of fluffy socks. Now normally I would get a pair of slipper socks, but I thought these would come in handy. These are the 2 pairs cozy socks made using recycled materials. £2 for a pack of 2. Now these are the more longer version, which I thought would be very ideal with my Doc Martens. As you can see there, or you could wear them as slipper socks, it's completely up to you. But yeah, I thought they were going to be cozy in the winter, or you could wear these with trainers if you wanted to and have them poking out. But I think I'm going to stick with my like Timberlands or my Doc Martens, something like that. So yeah, for £2, pound each, not bad. And they're super soft. They're like the really like, not velvet, but like soft. Next, now the girl at the till that served me said that they literally got these in the day I went in, so I was very lucky. They had so many variety of shades and I want to go back and get more, but they're the joggers. Now you just got these basic joggers. They're not thin, which is amazing. And do you want to guess the price? Do you want to guess the price? Seriously. I did get a size small, so I did size up on this. Just like I said, I have gained a little bit of weight. So I got a 10 to 12 and these were £5. What was that? £5, yes, £5. Now they do come off a little bit big, but because they've got this drawstring, and yes, it is a drawstring, it's not just there for show. We know some joggers have ones like that, but then I got this really nice pastel like baby blue colour. I've been looking for this blue colour for ages, and I have to say I probably like these a little bit more than the PLT ones, but then I like that the PLT ones don't show the strings. Sometimes I don't like that look, and then sometimes I want to go with this look. But for the quality of these, being £5 and they cuff at the ankle, is amazing. Like, they had grey, they had black, they had like nude, they had green, they obviously have baby pink, baby blue, I think they have baby pink. But you can see me going back to Primark and getting a load more shades, because I am going to be living in these in the autumn winter season, especially if there's another full-on lockdown, which I don't think there will be. But these local lockdowns are killing me. Okay, so the next item is another, probably one of my favourites. This is very out of my comfort zone, and I wouldn't normally go for something like this just because I don't know if it would flatter my body, especially how I am now. Not happy fully with my body or whatever. But these suede, oh my god, they feel so nice. Again, the quality of these is amazing. Definitely recommend these. Again, they had more shades. They had a darker camel colour, sort of like a brown shade. They had green, or khaki. They had a burgundy. So you got everything basically. But they're like sort of like leggings, but thick, sort of like trouser jeggings sort of thing. The waistband is really thick and it's really stretchy as well, which I love. It's got a zip on the side, which is handy. I got these again in size 10, like sized up, because like I said, I need to add that extra, and they fit perfectly. I love them. They do just cut off at the ankle, so they've just taken the scissors and literally just snipped it off. You could roll it up. It is slightly darker shade, but I think that would look quite cute. And yeah, it's got cute detailing on it. It's just plain on the back. But yeah, these were £15, so you are looking at the more pricier side of Primark again, but these are so good quality. Like they're very like, they're quite thick, so you're not going to be cold in the winter, and they're not going to be see-through, which is like a double plus. Do you know what I mean? So definitely recommend these. Again, with that shade, I feel like that's going to be very autumn. Random, but I got 2 packs of the mints. These are the spearmint flavour because of work. I like to, after my break or even before work, I like to have one of these. My job is very up close and personal. Not at the moment though, which is good, but obviously being on a beauty counter, being a consultant, you're in people's faces, and you know, I am a makeup artist as well, so like I said, it's a little bit different at the moment, but still like to have these after my break. Okay, now with this item, I'm very sad to say they don't fit. I can put them on, like I'll do a clip to show you, but they're very tight. If I sat down, bet your bottom dollar that button is gonna pop off. Like, and I did size up in these, which is not good. They are a pair of jeans. Now in Primark, normally with the vintage mom jeans, I can go with a size 8 and they will be a little bit too big, but at the moment I thought 10 would be ideal. They would probably fit. But these are slightly different. They're not the vintage ones, which I didn't realise, to be honest. They're just the mom jean stretch high waist. I would definitely disagree with the stretch. These were £15, so I will be returning these, but the quality of them is really nice. They don't feel like a stretchy jean. Like normally in Primark you get that stretchy material. I mean, they got a little bit of stretch to them, but if you're like me and you've put on a lot of weight on your thighs, hips and bum, girl, you need to get 2 sizes too big, because size 10, I've never been a size 12, but I'm gonna have to if I get these again. So they're really, really nice on. They really flattering. They have pockets up here and they just roll up at the ankle. They have pockets at the back, but for £15 and says stretch on them, they're not that stretchy. So I'm gonna have to go back and get another pair in a bigger size. I might just stick to the vintage ones though, but I really like this colour. I feel like this is very this time of year, and I don't normally go for this colour. I normally go for like a lighter blue, like an ash wash blue, but I really like these. Like, they're giving me the vibe of autumn, do you know what I mean? And for £15 it's quite a bargain if you think about it. But just size up, I definitely recommend it. You'll see in the clip, like, your girl struggled to get those off, let me tell you. Okay, so finally I only have 2 more items left, and they're accessories. Scarves. Now I did buy 2 because I just couldn't resist, and I have thrown out a few of my scarves from last year because they were a bit beaten up, so I only have like 1 or 2 left. This was £5 and it is gorgeous. I've got hair on it. It is in the shade Ecru. Cool. Never heard of Ecru apart from one of my foundation shades in Clinique. But yeah, it's a really nice, sort of like an ivory, nice shade. Do you know what I mean? It'll go with everything, just plain. It's quite a chunky, I don't know if they call it a chunky knit, but it's quite big and oversized. Love it. It's super soft as well. But this one, now this one is £6. Now this one is oversized, so I feel like this is going to be that really big, oversized, comfy thing. So I'm excited for this one. So this is in the shade Camel, and like I said, it's going to be the colour of the season, I think. Definitely recommend this. It is super soft. It looks like the itchy material, but when you go up and feel it, girl, your opinions are going to be different because it is super soft. I think we do need to like maybe give it a wash because it feels like that material where fluff is going to fly everywhere, which I can kind of see, and it's kind of going on my nose already. But yeah, really, really cute. Love it. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I didn't get a whole hell of a lot, but it does add up. I have to admit, I said that the girl who served me. It adds up. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe before you leave. That would mean the world. And if you want to see more autumn winter videos, then please let me know. Leave me a little comment down below and let me know. I would love to do videos that you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.